guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we've got another product from GT Power. Now this is a lighting system especially made for the TRX4 rock crawlers, as you can see here. And this one has 9 modes of dome lights. Looks like it's got an alarm system here, function, intelligent heat dissipation, highlighted LEDs, integrated design. Okay, so as you can see here, there is the TRX4 rock crawler. So this kit is especially designed for this crawler. Okay, now there's some more information on the side here. It's pretty much what's on the front of the box. Here's some of the specs of everything we get. Okay, so I'll just quickly scroll down here. The input voltage is 4.8 to 5.5 volt. Maximum working current is 0.5 amp. And the channels of the input removable controller. It says 3 channels or 2 channels with 1 trigger switch. Only weighs 129 grams, so it's pretty light weight for your crawler. And a bit more information down below. Alright guys, and you can check this out at gtrc.com. I'll leave links in the description. So let's see what we get in this box, and this is just going to be a quick overview and unboxing, guys, and we'll see what we get in the kit. Okay, let's have a look at what we get. Make sure I get everything out. Okay, let's start off with the instruction manual here. It's a 2-page leaflet. Okay, so it just says check whether all the items are in the package. It's got some working mode information here for the blue dome light, the white dome light, and the red. Okay, warranty and service, and on the back here we have some more information. There's a product list of everything that should be in the box, pretty much like what is on the outside of the box here. We've got a schematic diagram here of the main control board and each little light port where you plug into for each individual light. And we've got the dome light connection chart here as well, and obviously hooks up to your servo as well. Headlight instructions on this side. As you can see, you got your headlight, your main headlight, your turning signal, and your fog lights for each side of the front of the car or truck, and same goes for the back. Got the backup reverse light, turning indicator light, and the stop light. Alright, so like I said, this is made for the Traxxas TX4, which I do not own, guys. GT Power just sent this one out for me to showcase on the channel for you guys. So here it is here, guys. You got the first part of the kit here, which is the light cups for the LEDs. Looks pretty good. It's all you have to just remove them. Got your looks like your retainer brackets here. The front cage protectors for the dome light itself, LED lamps, and these look like they might hold the wires nice and tidy. Okay, and in here we have the rest of the product. So this looks like a casing to keep everything waterproof for the actual main module here. Okay, so that's nice. We've got a waterproof casing here. Okay, and it's got a seal, so this is definitely to keep all the dust, dirt, and grime out. We have the main control board here, guys. Okay, with all your LED light ports, like we saw in that diagram. Alright, and got some clear lenses here, some 3M stick pads as well, and all the little hardware that you need as far as all the screws to put everything together. So yeah, you got all your clear headlamps there too for the headlights. And let's just undo this wiring tie. And as you can see, we've got all our harnesses here, guys. So there's a switch, goes into a receiver, a whole bunch of different wiring, guys. Receiver cables, everything you could need for this application of this kit. Here's some LED lights. So we've got a panel here of lights. I don't know where they go, obviously. You have to look at the diagrams. The actual diagrams only show the front and the rear. Some more leads for ESCs and receivers. So we've got a whole bunch of them. Another LED panel board. These look like the headlight ones. Yeah, these are the ones for your headlights. They're clearly marked left and right. Okay, so like that diagram I showed you in the instruction manual. These are for your headlights. And we've got one of the tail lights here. This is the left side tail light. Okay, so you got your reverse, your blinkers, and then your stop light. Here's the other one for the right hand side, and the rest are just little LEDs as well. Okay guys, so anyway guys, I'll put a link in the description where you can get this particular kit. Okay, well that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview and unboxing. This is everything you get in the kit, guys. So yeah, like I said, if you don't want to wait around for the giveaway and you're interested in this one, you can check in the links below. I'll put the GT Power website, also Model Engines is an Australian supplier, and if I can find it on Banggood and AliExpress, I'll put the links for that below. Alright guys, especially for you guys that are overseas, you're obviously not going to go through their Australian distributor. So okay guys, thanks very much for watching. This is the GT Power light system made for the TRX4 rock crawler. Not a bad unit by the look of it. You've got quite a bit of hardware here and all the lights, fixtures that you need to yeah, set up your TRX4. Looks pretty good on the photo anyway. Okay guys, so thanks very much for watching. Thanks GT Power for sending this one out, and yeah, catch you on the next one.